I have linked two sheets so change and one automatically update the other. This give data consistency and reduced manual work. Welcome to my channel data page. I have two sheets, the one as product and other as sale per day. The sale duration for all product is from Yakam to 10 January and I want to avoid entering daily sales manually to keep the sheet clean and organized. This sheet contains daily product sales data from Yakam to 10 January. I want the sum of these sales automatically populate the product sheets to ensure accuracy and efficiency and cleanness. So let's come to link these two sheets. First of all, I want the sum of all products and lost column. For that I use some formula, select your range and click enter. Now scroll down for all the rows. The sum will automatically come. Now delete all these sums value because we want to sum these values by using advanced method because this method save our time. First of all, select all the data and click just Alt plus equal to from your keyboard. Automatically the sum will come for all the rows. Now I want the sum of these rows and the product sheets and the column of total sales. To do this, just type equal in the sales, go to the other sheets and click on the first total sales value. You will see the sheet name appear in the formula bar. It's a simple and easy method to link the sheet by using the formula. Now I want to check whether it comes in other sheet or not. For that, click enter. You can see the values come in right place. Scroll down for all the rows. And also I checked whether it works properly or not. For that I make change in sales per day. You can see I type 9, the values become 276. Now go back to other sheets. You can see the values comes. Again I check for the lost product, type 0, the value is 303. Now let's check and the product sheet, the value of lost row also is 303. So it means that our sheets are linked successfully. Follow for more tricks. Thank you.